Wake up. Hello, welcome to the Smart Service. This is review number 344. This is about Macbook Pro. I believe it's 2020, and the problem is the screen is not working. There's no picture on the screen. So we replace the entire screen, second-hand entire screen. The price will be cheaper than the new one, but customer okay with that. So it's now a MacBook. The picture is fine, everything is fine after I replace the screen. And let you know if you have the MacBook that you can afford with the new screen, we do have an option to replace the second-hand screen, and you can use this as well, and you save the cost. So if you're interested, feel free to contact us at the Smart Service for the services, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Bye bye.